Closed the trade for about 1,400. After commission, it was about 1,375. Can't complain, it was a smooth trade. It was literally in 3 minutes. That's TP1, TP1 on that time. There we go. Yeah, that's close that joint, I don't even care. It's about to be roll up and roll out for me. Round two, another day, another dollar, but we made 1,300 today. That's the difference, we made 1,300 today. The consistency doesn't lie. I woke up early today. I was tired of shit, but I got the work done regardless, and the work's still not done. Good morning, everybody, good morning. Right now, we're in Miami still. You can see we at this penthouse, and this camera is gonna continue to fog up. Early boys, but nonetheless, we're about to go to the spa, cold plunge, go into the hot tub, just do all the things to get you ready for the day. Do things that millionaires, billionaires would do. We're in the penthouse, we're gonna act like it. And then once I get done from there, gonna come back, I'm gonna work on the project I've been working on, gonna get active with VIP, I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna make some money, then we're gonna continue to go on with the rest of our day. We're gonna have to leave after our trading session, unfortunately, but we're gonna take advantage of it, we're gonna make the best of it, so let's do that. I go to the spa. It was supposed to be open at 6 a.m. and apparently today, out of all the days, it said it was going to be open at 2 p.m. and then open again at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We by the pool right now at the Icon. This is thorough. They got the 3 towers, Tower 1, 2, and then we're staying at Tower 3. This is thorough. They got a little chest over here. Then they got the little pools that we see everywhere on the Airbnbs. This is the first time we've been to the pool. We stayed here before, but we never been to the pool. It ain't even open right now. And there's infinity pools. It's different. Different. So you get in the picture. This to the end. Amazing view. It's a big ass pool though. Big ass pool. Like, look at this. This pool by itself, this infinity pool, goes all the way over there. And then there's another one and another one. All right, right now I just got finished recording like some of the stuff for the project. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The project's coming along real well. I'm not gonna speak on too much, but bro, I have a lot of videos I recorded in this. Like I got a whole lot. I recorded like 6 just now, and I recorded like maybe 20 over the last 2 days. But that's what you gotta do. The consistency doesn't lie. I woke up early today. I was tired of shit, but I got the work done regardless, and the work's still not done. I'm about to take a shower, then I can't talk. Talking too fast. I've been talking for like an hour straight recording those videos. Gotta calm down. And I'm gonna be active with VIP because we got some money to make, we got some lives to change, we got some value to give. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a trade today. This week has been ass so far. Haven't been getting no trades, been missing trades. But it is what it is. Not every week is gonna be amazing, but I'm just glad to be here. I'm glad to be able to enjoy it and not lose money. So with that being said, let's get straight to it and pay for this view. Got about 36 minutes until I gotta get up out of this Airbnb, unfortunately. But nonetheless, let's get straight to the team. Let's give some value and let's enjoy the time that we got with them. So I'm not gonna force nothing if I don't see it, but I'm gonna be here for 9:30 to see if I catch anything. Like I said, the best case is I got the 1-to-1 at the previous day's high. So even if it runs the high and retraces, I'm gonna get my 1-to-1. But I do want a 1-to-2 though. The 1-to-2 is what I'm looking for, but I'm going long at the 4-hour and 1-hour gap. 30-point stop loss on 30, but I only have that 30 points just because, like I said, the high is right there. If I'm risking 50, this shit will be, I'll need this shit to fly above that high. Yeah, I just need a 1-to-1, you know what I'm saying? 1-to-1 to break even, then a 1-to-2 best case, but the 1-to-2 is kind of just above. There we go, that's TP1 on that time. All right, break even at the previous high. I could come back, stop me break even before doing some shit, but I'm gonna hold for TP too. It's only a 30-point difference. I would hope if I can get 30 points. Come on, there we go. Yeah, that's close that joint. I don't even care. I can't be here for. I'll take it. See, the point of me coming at 9:30 was because I gotta leave at 10. All real shit. It's about to be roll up and roll out for me. We just got done with the team. Smooth 1-2, one trade only. US 30 made like $13.75. It was $1,400, but after commissions, everything was like $13.75. I think I showed you guys, but right now I ain't gonna lie. We gotta get up out of here. Gotta get everything packed, and then we are gone. It was great here. I'm glad I was able to catch a trade here. The one trade I called all week was with the penthouse. So maybe it's good vibes. Maybe it's a sign. But gotta pack, get up out here. I'm gonna give you guys a last little view of everything. Until next time. All right, so right now, as you guys seen from the little phone clip, we are on the side of the road because my car decided to, I don't know if we hit something. All I heard was a boom. I thought it was something in the trunk, to be honest, for like the bags and everything. Thought it was maybe the crate. I guess we ran something over. It's not even the tire that's fucked up. I have a tire, not even a tire that's fucked up. I have a rim that's fucked up. This is the actual tire. I hope it didn't do nothing to the rim. I think it's just the tire though from how fast it like deflated and everything, so. Now we're waiting for some roadside assistance to get here, take the car to the shop, get a new tire to then head back to Tampa, get her to work, get these dogs home. The bullshit begins. How you feel about this, Nova? How you feel about being in the car right now? What about you? Patiently waiting. The guy already came, took the tire off. He went to the tire place to get the other tire. I'm just sitting on a hijacked car on the side of the highway, watching the cars go by. Just think about how we went from such a penthouse to homeless on the side of the road. But she got to go to work, so there's not really enough time to do anything. No. You're off now?
She had to cover the shifts.
Guess she doesn't have to go to work no more. Back to waiting still. Doesn't change nothing besides the fact that we're just stuck here. At least we're not in a rush. We can get food, but we have the dog, so yeah. All right, but right now, so we had a pop tire, as you guys saw. So I came back to Miami. Yeah, so we're back at the same place, different room. It's not the penthouse room this time. Instead of being on the 47th floor, we're on the 29th floor. But you know what? That's still, if we're on the second floor at our apartment, that's approximately a whole lot more than what I have right now. So yeah, but we're about to valet the car. We're about to go into the spa that we couldn't do this morning. So yeah, that's the plan right now. Get it back. Instead of the 47th floor, we're going to the 29th floor today, but we ain't leaving. It's not a penthouse, but it's still a big ass crib. Still better than my crib, so I'm still happy to be here. Yeah, I gotta go get the key and shit. Round two, another day, another dollar, but we made $1,300 today. That's the difference. We made $1,300 today, so we can afford it. Kind of. You're all the way in the back. Okay. This is smooth. I ain't gonna lie. This is bigger than what I thought it would have been, but we definitely do got a different view. Got a different shower vibe situation. But we still got this bed. Yo, that shit's still here. Bedroom, the bedroom's big. The bed is smaller. Okay. Copy that. We got outside. Okay, ashtray. Just what I need. Oh yeah, and there's the pool and everything. Water view. Different type of view this time. Different type of view, but nonetheless, it's still a view. A view is a view. Huh. So we went from being down there earlier in the vlog to being up top of here at the end of it. Ain't that some shit? But all right. Now I gotta go get the bags and my girlfriend and my dogs. Wait, where's the fob? I think they said it was in like the microwave. Microwave. Okay. It's in a day we went to the spa and they were closed. This is crazy.
I'm sick.
This is crazy. This is the second walk of shame. Since we can't go to the spa. We about to go get some food. You can't even see me right now. Great view. But we about to go get some food. I don't know where we're gonna go get food at, but we'll figure it out like we always do. Gonna get some great food. Probably won't be as expensive as Fleming's last night, but knowing in Miami, who fucking knows? But this crib is great. The last place we had, it didn't have these black floors, even though it was in the same place, just like another 20-something floors up. But this is a great spot. We got the view of the pool and everything. Can't lie. We about to grab some food, and then when I come back, I'm gonna talk to you guys about basically the trade from earlier today, because that's the main topic of the video. The fact that I'm here in Miami, but the fact that I caught that trade this morning. So I'm gonna go over the reason behind it. I'm gonna go over everything when it comes to all of that. I'm just trying to find the best lighting. Right here it's okay, but yeah. Like I said, you guys will see me in a minute. Miami Beach walk, looking for some food. All right, we just got done eating, went to Miami Beach, got a little food down there. Now we're back at the crib. You can see the little, you probably can't see much of the view in the background, it's dark, but nonetheless, I'm about to be doing this. And while I do this, before I end the vlog, I told you guys I was gonna explain to you the trade idea. Now, I'm not gonna bring you guys into the charts and everything. You guys had that portion in the beginning of the video. If you want more, join VIP, check out the free trading course. But I'm still gonna explain overall what I did. And why am I explaining it? Because even someone in VIP, even them being in the trade, not in the trade, even them being in like the live session with us while we were taking the trade, they still had questions on the trade. They asked me to have like a short commentary basically explaining the trade. So I'm basically gonna do a word for word what I told them. So when I come to the charts at 9:30, you guys already know what I look for. If you already went through the free trading course, you know what I look for on a day-to-day basis. You know, I'm looking at the previous day's highs, looking at the ASIN session highs or lows. Then I'm moving on to the 4-hour, daily, 1-hour fair value gaps, right? I keep the system simple. I do the same thing every day for the most part. It's a very step-by-step system. And I've taught you guys the system already if you've watched the content. But once I got to that point, I did everything I saw, everything I seen. It was right before 9:30. Right before 9:30, price was trading at the 4-hour and the 1-hour fair value gap. We were basically just staying at the gap. We weren't really moving too much, and it was the higher time frame bias. The overall higher time frame was bullish. The previous day's high was basically, it was a 1-to-1 away. So it was 30 points away. I was risking 30 points on US 30. I got in at the 4-hour fair value gap, at the 1-hour fair value gap, expecting price to reach for the previous day's high. The previous day's high was at a 1-to-1, meaning if I risked $1, I would make $1. And that risk reward made sense because I did understand that after we ran that previous day's high, there was a chance that price could reverse. There is a chance now that price could completely go against me. But that's why I was able to break even at 1-to-1, which was the previous day's high, and then 1-to-2, which was 60 points, so it was the TP that I had. Closed the trade for about 1,400. After commission, it was about 1,375. Can't complain, it was a smooth trade. It was literally in 3 minutes. I lied to you not. Anybody that was in VIP, anybody watching this that was in VIP that made it to the end of this video, let everybody know in the chat the actual trade, how it went. Because it was a fast trade. I didn't get no good trades all week. This was the first winning trade I had all week. Okay, I wouldn't say first winning trade. I had break-even trades, which are technically W's, but I didn't make money all week. And it's Thursday. And I won my first trade today. It'd be like that sometimes. But I told you guys I was going to give you a little brief explanation on the trade idea. If you want more in-depth, join VIP. I explained it to them. Actually getting into the trade, after the trade, before the trade, all the above. Everything I do when trading is done live with the team. So if you want to learn how to trade like me, like you guys said, like I said, the free content, free trading course. I'll see you guys tomorrow's video. Stay safe, stay productive, and we're gonna be active tomorrow morning with the view. And hopefully we can get to the spot tomorrow. Third time's a charm.